This module that I've put together is called Managing Complications. Now, implant dentistry is very successful, as has been documented in a lot of the literature, but clinicians should expect to see some complications within their daily practice. And so this module specifically addresses the biologic complication of peri-implant diseases. And this is including, of course, peri-implant mucositis and peri-implantitis. In this topic area, I've had a lot of experience. Firstly, during my days at the University of Bern, I started out in some clinical research projects with Professor Lang. And since then, I've conducted a number of research projects, been involved in many consensus conferences, and written quite a number of review papers on this topic. So it's really a topic that I think is important for everyone to have a grasp of, because unfortunately it's not always that we see the perfect results, and we need to be able to recognize when a problem occurs and how we might manage it. In order to diagnose the conditions, a very careful clinical approach in terms of monitoring is important, and this will be outlined in the module. Also, in terms of treating peri-implant mucositis and peri-implantitis, the steps involved will be outlined, including some of the different treatment approaches that are available and some of the limitations that are present when treating peri-implantitis. This is a very difficult condition to treat, and this module will outline what's involved in a stepwise approach in terms of identifying, addressing the cause, decontaminating the implant surface, the various options including surgical management, regenerative approaches will also be touched upon. After completing this module, the learner should understand the steps to diagnosing the diseases, peri-implant mucositis and peri-implantitis, and importantly, they should know a stepwise approach in how to manage or treat the disease. The other important thing is to understand the limitations of treatment of these complications.